Hanna Hippo's horrible hiccups. Hanna Hippo was humming a happy tune as she left Alphabeti's school. She was hoping to have a heap of Homer Hogg's heavenly huckleberry muffins. Hanna was a happy hippo, but like all hippos, she was hungry at the end of the day, very hungry. Nothing made her happier than those huckleberry muffins. Homer hollered, "Hurry, Hanna, have some huckleberry muffins while they're hot." Hanna was very happy to see Homer. She gave him a huge hippo hug. "Ooh. Oh no," said Hanna unhappily. "I have the hiccups. I can't eat huckleberry muffins while I have the hiccups." "How horrible, Hanna," said Homer. "Try holding your breath." "Hold your breath and hop up and down." Thump, thump, thump. But she hiccuped again. Hanna howled, "Please help me, Homer." "Here," said Homer, "have a hot cup of tea with honey." Hanna held the teacup. She had a sip and another sip. Then Hanna hiccuped harder than ever. Hanna was very unhappy and very hungry. Suddenly she heard a humongous squawk, and Hanna hopped high in the sky. "Hoppin' hippos," Hanna hollered. "What was that?" "Hi, Hanna. I heard you had hiccups, so I hurried over to help." "You gave me a terrible scare, Hilda." "But Hanna," said Homer, "that horrible scare must have helped. I don't hear any more hiccups." "You're right," said Hanna happily, and she gave Hilda Hen a huge hippo hug. Homer handed them a plate of hot muffins. They looked absolutely heavenly. And Homer said,